Remove the mouthpiece caps from both the MDI and the diamond. Look inside both ends of the diamond for any objects that don't belong there and check for damage. Insert the MDI mouthpiece firmly into the flexible adapter at the end of the diamond. Hold your diamond and MDI together and shake well according to your MDI instructions. Place the mouthpiece of the diamond in your mouth and close your lips firmly to form a tight seal. Exhale to get ready for taking a deep breath. Then spray 1 puff of medicine into the diamond and begin to inhale slowly, taking a full deep breath. Hold your breath for as long as you can, up to 8 seconds, and then breathe out slowly. If taking more than 1 puff of medication, wait at least 1 minute between each puff. When your treatment is completed, remove the MDI from the diamond and replace the mouthpiece caps on both the MDI and diamond before you put them away.